Blocked ears can affect more than just your hearing. They can make conversations difficult and create pressure inside the ears. In today's video, we're discussing how Hearing First Oxford helps patients improve hearing and ear comfort through professional microsuction. Earwax is completely natural and helps protect your ears, but when it becomes impacted, it can cause uncomfortable symptoms. Many people attempt to remove it themselves using cotton buds, but this often pushes wax deeper and makes the blockage worse. That's why professional microsuction earwax removal has become one of the most trusted hearing care treatments available today. At Hearing First Oxford, treatment is carried out by qualified audiologists using specialist equipment and direct visual guidance. Unlike traditional syringe-ing, microsuction uses gentle suction for a more controlled, precise, and comfortable cleaning process. Many patients notice immediate improvements in hearing. If you'd like to learn more or book an appointment, check the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hearing health tips.